ADX is charted as a line with values ranging from 0 to 100. Developed by Larry Williams, this indicator helps spot overbought and oversold market conditions. Because of its incorporation of volume, the MFI is better suited to identify potential reversals using both overbought-oversold levels and bullish-bearish divergences. This indicator compares the closing price of a stock in relation to the highs and lows over a certain time period. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is an often employed momentum oscillator that is used to measure the speed and change of stock price movements. The RSI can help display whether the bulls or the bears are now strongest in the market. Investors will commonly use Williams %R in conjunction with other trend indicators to help spot possible stock turning points. The RSI was developed by J. Wells Wilder in the late 1970s. A move above 70 is widely considered to show the stock is overbought, and a move below 30 would indicate that the stock may be oversold. In general, if the reading goes above -20, the stock may be considered to be overbought. After studying the broader economic factors that impact equity markets, it may be time to focus in on specific stocks to add to the portfolio. Monitoring the numbers for Vanguard S&P Mid-Cap 400 Growth Index Fund, IVOG, we are noting that the comma is trending up over the last 5 days. The 14-day RSI is now sitting at 66.18, the 7-day is at 68.39, and the 3-day is spotted at 56.21 for Vanguard Total World Stock Index Fund ETF, VT. The Average Directional Index or ADX is a technical analysis indicator used to describe if a market is trending or not trending. A value of 50 to 75 would signal a very strong trend, and a value of 75 to 100 would indicate an extremely strong trend. On the flip side, an RSI near 0 may signal weaker momentum. Using the CCI as a leading indicator, technical analysts may use a +100 reading as an overbought signal and a -100 reading as an oversold indicator, suggesting a trend reversal. At the time of writing, Vanguard 500 Index Fund, VU, has a 14-day Commodity Channel Index, CCI, of 16.00. Taking a peek at some moving averages, the 200-day is at 77.95 and the 50-day is 79.42. Technical traders may also be looking at recent indicator levels on shares of Vanguard Total World Stock Index Fund ETF, VT. The ADX is used to measure trend strength. The balance step formula is based on near-term moving averages to predict which direction a trend is heading. Using the ADX with the plus directional indicator, plus DI, and minus directional indicator, DI, may help determine the direction of the trend as well as the overall momentum. When applying indicators for technical analysis, traders and investors might want to look at the ATR or average true range. We can also take a look at the Average Directional Index or ADX of Vanguard 500 Index Fund, VU. A value of 25 to 50 would indicate a strong trend. Investors may be watching technical indicators such as the Williams % range or Williams %R. The Williams %R is created to provide a general sense of when the equity might have reached an extreme and be primed for a reversal. Many successful investors have become highly adept at knowing when to buy and when to sell. Tracking other technical indicators, the 14-day RSI is presently standing at 68.96, the 7-day sits at 76.85, and the 3-day is resting at 75.03 for Vanguard Mega Cap 300 Value Index Fund, MGV. A CCI reading of +100 may represent overbought conditions, while readings near -100 may indicate oversold territory.